Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting basic prerequisites ready. Put the BMW in park and switch ignition to accessory or on so the system is active. Once done, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and make it discoverable for a short window. Then, on the iDrive controller, choose Communication, then Manage Mobile Devices and select Connect New Device. This tells the car to look for your phone. You do this now because the car and phone must be searching at the same time for pairing to work. Once the phone shows on the iDrive list, select your device so the BMW requests a PIN. You must compare the 6-digit code on the screen with the code on your phone. This prevents pairing with the wrong device, so confirm both exactly match. After confirming, accept or allow pairing on both the car and the phone. Then grant permissions for contacts and messages if you want hands-free calling and caller ID. This step lets the car import your phone book and show names during calls. Finish by marking the device as primary on the iDrive if you prefer automatic reconnect when entering the car. That saves a manual step next time. Test the link by placing a call or playing audio and use the steering wheel or iDrive to adjust volume. This verifies both media and phone functions. If pairing fails, restart your phone's Bluetooth and the car's system, wait 30 seconds, and retry pairing. This clears temporary conflicts and almost always resolves discovery issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.